Hello, sweetie. Come with me and let's bake this fluffy, soft sponge cake together. Please come. I want to say a big shout out to all my subscribers and my return viewers, guys. I love you so much. God bless you for your support. And today, as we are baking our sponge cake, I want to tell you how this channel came about, how Mickey Royal Kitchen came about. Okay, so before I will tell you this, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a video. And please, this video you are watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you leave. It help me, encourage me to do more. So this channel, when I was growing up, when I got to 16, 15, I discovered that I have this this love for cooking. No, I just love cooking. I just love making new things, putting my head together, bringing something new. It just gave me so much joy. So it was my passion. I am so passionate about it. So on 2023, I discovered this content creating and online stuffs. So I grew interested in it. So 2023, I made a decision to share my passion with the world. So I was not able to start on that 2023 because I needed quality phone, I needed my tripod stand and other things. So 2024 December I started posting videos. So from 2024 to today I have been posting videos. So I started posting videos on 2024 December, 2024 December. That is when I started. And the Mickey Royals is, I've always loved the word royal, and I've always, I remember when I was 16 years, I would always say, when I open like a business, the name will be Royal. I've always loved Royal, and my husband is Michael, so I decided to name my brand Mickey Royal's Kitchen, and I really love the name. Seriously, I really love the name. So that is how I got Mickey Royal's Kitchen. So my Royal plus my husband, so Mickey Royal's Kitchen. So that's how I got it. So when I started this 2 years to this year to December, then I'll get 3 years. It has not been that easy because you know you always bring your best out, and sometimes you don't get enough viewership and subscription. It was like when I started, I had this idea that, oh, by 1 year I'll get my first 1K subscribers. Like, and the year ended, and like, oh, 2025 ended, and like, I was not having that. It was tough for me, but because it is my passion, I still go on. Maybe sometimes a month and I'll not post. It's not something that happens, but I think it has happened like last year and this year, because this year I was pregnant. When I got to my 9th month, I could not do it again, so I had to pause a little bit. But apart from that, I've been consistent. Okay, sometimes the money you're going to use, because this kind of contents, you need money to be always bringing out different recipes and stuff. It's not easy. So if you see people doing this type of things, Give them a thumbs up and subscribe to their channel if you have not subscribed and you are always watching their videos. Subscribe, okay? Because we put a lot of things in it. Our love, our time, our money. Because when you have not gotten your monetization requirements, you have not been monetized, so you don't get any money from anywhere. Okay, so it's not an easy thing, but because it's my passion, I keep on doing it and I'll keep on doing it. I'll keep on doing it. So this year, I decided to turn one of my passion to business. That is baking. I love baking. I really love baking. I love baking, and my children, my husband, they love my baking. So, like when I bake, maybe pie, cookies, cupcakes, it hardly takes a day in my home because they will eat it all. They love it. So I decided to take this passion to the next step. So this year, I have started my baking business, that is Mickey Royal Cake and Pastry. So if you are in Kumasi or Accra and you want a wedding cake, just contact me, okay? And I'll like let be my client and let us make business together, okay? If you are in Kumasi and you want a birthday cake, any cake of your choice, just contact me, okay? I will just leave my number in the description. Contact me. So this is how Mickey Royals came about. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your loved ones and let me know in the comment section if you love this recipe. Thank you.